everybody, this is Pam with Jesusjunkjournals, and I am going to do a flip through of the latest project we've been working on, which is the Folio journal templates project. So it's a Folio journal, and on Etsy I gave you the templates, and so we built these two. I did a feminine and a masculine, and that was just by accident. As I started, it kind of evolved into that. So I'll start with the feminine one. So I decided to use this, I'm going to call them a book of common use, which, if in case you don't know, is something that's been around for hundreds of years. And it's just a place to keep all of your notes that come along in your everyday life. So you know how you'll write a phone number down for the repairman, and you're like, where should I put this? Put it in your book of common use. Or you get a good recipe and you don't have time to put it in your recipe box right now, put it in here. All those bits and pieces of information, you put them in a book of common use. So I thought, well, that's what we'll do. So I just hand lettered the title page. Okay, so here we go. We open it up. We've got this. We've got pockets, and we open up this way, and we have double pockets here, and then this is a pocket here that you can put things in. So let me unfold it this way. We open it up, and here's a pocket here, and then we unfold it again, and we have a little pocket. Well, it opens up and the pocket is on the back, and then we have a belly band here, and then we have a little pocket here. We have two pockets here, and then over here we have a pocket with a acetate window, and I haven't put anything in there yet, but you can see you can put whatever you want in there. And that opens this way, and there's a pocket on this side, and then this opens up and has a flap and a pocket with a gusset, so you've got room to put something kind of thick in that if you want to. And then here is an envelope that you can put things in. And another envelope over here. So let me fold this back up and move it over. And then we have a removable journal here. And it's just got lots of odds and end papers in it to use. And cloth cover. So it's tied in the middle, and you can just slip it out, or you can untie it and tie it back in. And then on this side, we have the accordion pocket. So here it's got little accordions on the side so that it will open up. That one got stuck down there. So it kind of pops out and gives you room to put something. And you open this up, and there's this pocket, and then this folds down, and there's two more pockets inside. Oh, and I forgot this. I always forget. And then this is a removable folio that you can just tuck under here. And it opens up and has a pocket here, two pockets over here. And then this is just a notepad. And it's a refillable notepad. You can untie this and open it and put more paper in it if you want to. And then on the back of this one, there's a pocket here and a pocket here. And so you can fold that back up, and it slips under this ribbon, or you can tie it back in if you want to. So there's that. So that folds in like that, and all this folds up, and there it is. So let's look at the masculine one, just a little bit different. So here's that one. This one has the double pockets. It's got the flaps here that you can put something under. Then you unfold it this way, and you've got your two pockets here. And then you open it up here, and you've got a pocket here. Unfold this, and you've got this little, stuck down. This little pocket here, and here's the belly band that you can stick things under. Here's a pocket here, 2 pockets here. This is the flap and the pocket here, like the other one. Let me tie this back up. And oh, and then here's this pocket, and on the other side is the acetate window. So you can put something in here and show it through the window. And then this unfolds, and here's this envelope. And there's this envelope. And then here is a removable journal on this one. And it ties in the middle, so you can untie it and take it out. And then here is the removable folio for this one. I've still got a clip on that. And this folio has the 2 pockets on this side, and you open it up, 2 pockets here, 2 pockets here, and here's your notepad that's refillable. And that's that. And it slips under here, or you can tie it and untie it. And then I'm going to move this over. Let's see. And over here is this pocket on this flap, and then it folds down and reveals these 2 pockets. And then here is your accordion pocket here. So then this all folds back up, and there it is from the top view. So that is it. Those are the 2 that we did. I thank you very much for walking through the process with me. It was kind of tricky. I'm not going to tell you a lie. But we got it done. And so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And we will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.